You're deep in a feature, half-written code everywhere. Then Slack pings. Urgent bug on main. Fix it. Now. You can't commit half-broken code, and you don't want to throw it away. Git Stash. It packs your uncommitted work into a box, leaves your working tree perfectly clean. Fix the bug. Ship it. Then pop the box back. Let's watch. Step 1. Here's our repo. 2 files modified, feature.js and styles.css. Not committed, just floating in the working tree. Step 2. We run git stash push with a message. Git saves our uncommitted changes into the stash, and the working tree is instantly clean. Step 3. Now we're free to switch. We create a fresh hotfix branch from main. No conflicts, no half-broken code following us. Step 4. We fix the bug and commit it. A new commit, H1, appears on the hotfix branch. Clean, isolated, focused. Step 5. Bug is fixed. We switch back to main. Notice the working tree is still clean. Our stashed work is still safely in the box. Step 6. We merge hotfix into main. Git fast forwards the branch. No extra merge commit. H1 moves straight onto the main line. Step 7. Before we restore, let's check the stash. There it is. Stash 0. Our work in progress, exactly where we left it. Step 8. We run git stash pop. Git pulls the work back out, drops it into the working tree, and removes it from the stash, right back where we were. Step 9. Feature.js, styles.css, both restored. The emergency is handled, the stash is empty, and we didn't lose a single line of code. Git stash, a pause button for your code. Use it, handle the emergency, come right back. Now go build something. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit subscribe for more.